Aloha mai. Today we are going to make an egg. We're gonna fry up an egg, but we're gonna do it differently, meaning we're gonna use the Hawaiian language. So with my own students, and actually when I run into a lot of people, where their weakness point is they don't know what words to use every day in their house, wherever they go with their family. It's those very simple things that we use every day in English. Those are things that really trip people up as they're learning. So what is the term to flip over an egg to make it, that over easy kind of egg? What's the term to scramble an egg? How about to pour out salt? Right? These are all words we use when we cook and we talk about cooking, but do we know them in Hawaiian? So that's what we're gonna do today. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Pāpara I ke ia, kāna mua kau ke I runa o ke kapuahi, ho a ke kapuahi, ho vera mua no ki a pā. Ai a vera hiki ki ho emi ka vera, ai ore ho nui. Lawe ka waiupaka. O mamake o parai ka hua mo me ka waiupaka. Ali wo onoro ka aina. Ka ohana mau o ki a pana riri. Weho I runa o ke ia pāni. Kalia he me kei o ia kumana mea weho ka hoa moa I runa me ke nā paha hou apana riri me ke rā ano ke apana aripi kia vera no kau ke mea I runa ni o maka kia waiupaka he me ke rā lawe ka hoa moa wawahi wawahi wani wamai wehe kiro I ka iwi hua moa I ke ia mea ni he mau hua olelo no ke ia mau mea ni o ka I o ke o me ka I o lena o ke kahi he kau o ke o me ka kau o lena aka ia mako lena me ke o lava no ke da ke o manawa no lulu o ia ka hana ni lulu me ke na o ano pa lawe o ka pepa ka he kako ke he pepa ka o I o he hua nioi he mau hua nioi ke ia I roko o ke ia ni he mea viri no I ke ia ke viri he mo mai ka huna oli ke kai poe oka o ka nioi mo apona no o lalo o ke ni ke na o lalo komo ana ke ia puna I lalo nei ka uhana o ori me ke ra he mai manoi pero I he make a ni ka wahi ne o ia mamake ko wahi ne I ka mo aloha ka lena ke la rena mamake o ia ke la apana mo aloha ina mo aloha ke la o ia kana me ono I kau ina ke wo oki ka he mai ke la rena ke ino ke na hohui ia me karai ki pa ai pu me ke la kali wale no kali a mo e ke me o make na o lava ke ia ai o me ke na lawe ana mo ka pa pau o mo hao ke hua kau I no ka pa ma kau no ai hau uri ka opu ai pau ke ho mo ka prai ia ke wana ho mako no ke kai ano hua aka mamo o ke ra ho mai ale wo mamo o ka ho mako ko ana ke kai me ai maruno o ke ia pa nei ho mai no me ke kai po ale ho mama ho mau ale wo hana me ke ra mai koe ke waiupaka nei ho ke kapuahi kalia vera me ke ia pa vera kupona o ka manawa wi Hawaii ki ra hua mo I runa ka ke wana wa wahi ho ano ke hua nei wiri ma mo o ka kau ana I runa o ke pa ka nui ko manawa o komo ka hua mo I roho ki aha ana ke aha mea ana ina ana meri ke ore no ke kuke ana wa wahi ke hua mo te oa mai me ke rā wehe ho mo I roko ki roi ka iwi o maka e mea nui nā orero no ki e mea ni no ke hana o ki kai he viri ware no he viri ke kai poe ka viri ke kai poe ho ako he ko ai like roa ki e maho orero viri me ke rā I hui pūno keo me ka rena o ka hoa moa me ke ia nei mako kau no o ke hou ana e rua apana paha o tohe ke rakani e pipi nei awa no paha kena no mea e hokai wale no hua Nini ko hua moa me ke ia puna pala no e mea kai poe hohuri kai poe oki kalako hana kau he ano hohuri no kau e hana I hohuri kia mo apana moa oli me ke ra no lira ari pa ali ke ka o hana ka ke ka me ke ra hohuri ka hua me ke ra kai manawa pou I raro I hemo mei ki ra tera mea ka mea he hala ka wai o ka ua moa moa pau ka hohoi ke ia hua moa ni me ke hua e rua ana waina waka pākai ka mea mamuri o ka verero o ke hua he ana no ke ia ke pākai aka e ano e no pa ke hana I ke kai poe to I o ali wo lu ka pa kai I runo ka poe hua na mana pa roa ke wo ai ka hua mo me ka lai ki me ke kai I o pa ka na o ka ke pa ka pipi pa ho miko e ia me ka pa kai to le ali wo miko na me a pa roa ke kai poe ono roa la ko ka pa kai lu malono ke ra me ke ia me Now, lawa. Pea ke mahua moa nani ke nana aku. Mamo ka ai ana he mau mana ko. So before I get started eating, I'm just going to share a little bit, going back to that story about my own students and then people that I meet that are learning the language. I've been really fortunate to be around native speakers of the language, and so a lot of the words that you heard today I got directly from them, either in context when they were cooking or they were telling a story, or sometimes I would just ask them what's the word for this or that. So I've always pushed my students to do the same of if you can't, rub shoulders with a native speaker that's around, well, there's hundreds of recordings and even videos that you can watch and listen to online to get these words. There's a lot of them that they share. They'll talk about cooking, they'll talk about everyday functional things that they were doing. And that's really where you'll be able to understand what words mean what. Because unfortunately, in the dictionary, if you look up a word to, stir or to turn, for example, there's going to be a string of words, and a lot of people conclude that, they're all synonymous. I can just pick anyone that I like, anyone that sounds good. But a lot of the time, there's specific terms for specific occasions or different contexts, right? So that's something to be really conscious of. So hopefully this video was helpful. You got some new words, maybe you have some new questions, and if I have the answers, I'll give it to you. If I don't, I'll give a friend a call who knows better than me. Anyways, I'm gonna get started eating. Mahalo ke hui ana. Aloha.